Hi everybody, I'm Tigran from Typhoon Roaster. This video is about coffee roasting. Today we will try to build a light roasting profile for Brazil Montanari on our fluid bed Typhoon Shop Roaster 2 kg. Third way roasters want to highlight the hard work of coffee producers. We want to allow origin to shine through rather than be burned away by an overdeveloped roast. And so in our attempts to producer justice, sometimes we roast lighter and lighter. The problem is, if you roast too lightly, you can't taste good coffee anyway. Instead, you will have grassy, sour and just unpleasant drinks. So that's our challenge, to find the sweet spot. As you already know from the video about espresso roasting, there is no need to roast just like me. That's just my way. You can see the link for that video at the top. I also invite you in the comments for experience exchange. So let's start. We are loading at 180 degrees of Celsius for a 2 kg batch. Heating is 25% at the start to give more energy in shorter time. At 30 seconds we set 90% heating and wait for roar peak. So we got a peak. It quite high up. Let's reduce the heat to 90%. Roar stops declining rapidly. We can start to reduce heat supply. The temperature rises without delay. It's better to reduce the heat so not roast our coffee too quickly. So roar is about straighten up, reducing heat supply. Now it's 65%. We set 60% heating. We are close to first crack. I hear the first crack and start counting development time by pushing VC button at artisan buttons bar. We reduce the heat to 50% to prevent roar graph from getting straight. If this happens, the coffee will have baked taste. Right click at development box allows me to change development time, development temperature and percentage of development. We unloading the coffee at 18% of development. Almost perfect result for alternative brewing batch at Typhoon Fluid Bed Roaster. So, as you can see, the pledge of balance in a cup lies in development balance of coffee. If you got any questions about our fluid bed roasters, welcome to the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and Instagram. See you!